Hello children, I hope you are watching the video of the previous uh, exercises in your workbook. I hope all had copied the answers also. Today we will continue that same. Now next part of our chapter is fill in the blanks from your workbook, page number 49. Last video I had explained how the boy Kanaya, he can go to Lavanya Orchid. What is the route map with a diagram I had explained, and I hope you had followed and completed also. So related to that same part, there are some fill in the blanks also. So you can see the picture of previous video and you can answer these questions. Lavanya Orchid is far from dash. So options are given ABC College, ABC School. You had studied a last video that uh, Lavanya Orchid is opposite of ABC School. So which is the right answer? ABC School. So you have to write there. Now second number, park is nearer from dash, bank or Lavanya Orchid. So park is nearer from, just crossing the park directly we will reach Lavanya Orchid. So correct answer is Lavanya Orchid. Then Manchester Dreams is nearer from dash. In that picture you see it properly, so you can see that there will be Manchester Dreams, it is given. So it will be nearer to ABC school. So when you will see the diagram in your textbook, you can see all these things. So right answers I had written, you also copy in it. Now next part of our workbook is given below is a design layout of a park and its surrounding houses, shops, etc. So look at properly. It is a layout. What is mean by layout? Layout is the way in which pictures or text are set out on a page. It is a design. So those who are constructing the buildings, flats or other shopping malls, etc., they will make the design. So that from that we can make out how many rooms are there, what is the size of that room, etc. So that is called the layout. So by seeing this layout, you can answer the following questions. Before that, just to go through that layout, what things are there? It is a park and residential area near to that park. So there are some gates, gate number A, gate number B, gate number C, gate number D. And from all the four places, for the gates, they can enter into the children's park. And one side there is an ice cream corner is also there, and one side the house or the flats or the residential area is there. So related to this, we can answer the following questions. So I am going to read, and correct answer also I will say. It is already written also. You can do in your workbook. Whatever answers we are discussing in the workbook, then and that time you have to copy in your workbook. And on the global board, the notes are coming. It will say worksheet that you have to write in your notebook. Which gate is nearest to sitting bench? So just to see the picture, which gate is nearer to the sitting bench? Where is sitting bench? Just look at that sitting bench. So which gate is there? Gate number D. You can see that gate number D very near to that. B, C and A are far away. So sitting bench and D is very near. So answer is gate D. Options are given A, B, C, D. So from that right answer is gate D. Now second question. The nearest gate to enter into the park for the residents will be the gate dash. Here also option given A, B, C, D. So residential area is very near to which one? Gate D. So again the answer is the residential, that is the people who are staying in that houses, they can enter into the park through very near to that gate number D. Now third answer, the gate nearest to ice cream corner is dash. Where is ice cream corner? You can see that there will be you can see that gate number C, there are one ice cream corner written. Look at properly. So, which is the correct answer? Answer is C. Gate number C. If Pooja entered from gate B, then the swings will be on her dash side. Where is swing lying? Swing lying up on the right corner. So she is going to enter from gate B. So the swings will be on her left side. So answer is left. Now next number. If you entered from gate, which of these is nearest to you? So look at that. If you entered from gate A, where is gate A? Which of these nearest to you? What are the options given? First look at that. Kids slide. Then second number is swings. Third one is seesaw. Fourth one is sitting bench. Sitting bench where it is? Near to gate D. Our question is gate A. So it is not possible. Then seesaw. Seesaw is also little far away, nearest to gate D. So that also not possible. Swings. Swing is very near to B. So that also not possible. So which is the right answer? Kids slide. You can see kids slide is very near to gate A. So answer is if you enter from gate A, kids slide will be nearest to you. So that is the right answer. I hope everybody understood from the picture, and I think you are all copied also properly. So this type of questions can come in exam, that's why. Now turn the next page. This is just as a time to play. Here one question is given, one puzzle question. You can try at home also, this way paper cutting you do. So you will get a clear picture also. Aditya, Pranav, Mohan, Rohan, while playing Ludo, each one thought of making dice by themselves on a piece of paper. So they thought that they will make the dice by themselves with the paper strips. So they had a different way they had marked. So they cut the paper. Given below are different cuttings of papers made by them. So Pranav, Aditya made first one, then Pranav made another one, Mohan and Rohan, different ways. So it is given A, B, C, D. Now related to this, some questions are there. Just to see that. In which paper cutting you will find the numbers on the opposite faces that adds up to 7. I hope everybody knowing, because in your lesson teacher explained with this type of question, she had given ample examples and how to calculate it also shown. So it will be very easy. So when we will add the opposite faces, answer we have to get 7. So look at that. Opposite faces in the case of A, 2 plus 1, 3, not possible. B, 3 plus 5, 8, it is also not possible. Then next one, 6 plus 4, 10, it's not possible. So D type you see, 6 plus 1, 7. So which is the correct answer? D. So D strip will get that 7 when we will plus opposite sides. So that is the right answer. Which numbers was on the opposite side of 6 in paper cutting B? Paper cutting B, you will try to fold. You can see that Number 1 will go on the opposite side of 6. So answer 1, it is in B cutting. So paper cutting B, opposite side of 6 will be 1. Now last question in that, which of the above paper cutting is similar to the dice shown along side? So on the side you can see a dice given, its numbers are given 2, 3 and 6. So our question is related to that above paper cutting is similar to the dice shown along side. So which will be the correct one? You can see 3, 6 and 2 will be given. So which is similar to that? It will be D. So correct answer is D, paper cutting will be similar to that dice. Students, today we are completed our workbook lesson of lesson number 5, the world, that lesson. So I hope all are able to complete your workbook then and that time. If you are not able to complete, see the video and try to complete it. Next day, the teacher will start with the lesson number 6. So before that, everybody should complete the workbook, and notebook questions are already came in the global board. Copy that question answers or that sums in your notebook also. We will meet again in another video. Till then, goodbye.